Hi everyone, welcome to Coco Senior, and today I will teach how to remove protection password from Excel sheet or workbook. Coco Senior Workbook Unprotect Tuner can help remove protection password from Excel workbook or Excel sheet. Get the software on your computer. Okay, now open the software. Click the Open button to add your restricted Excel file. Well, click the Remove Password button. Wow, the protected password is removed successfully. Now you can see an unprotected copy of the Excel file in the same location. You can open and edit the content freely. That's all. Thanks for watching.